Thing is here, I want to dig into these recommendation services a little bit more and understand what exactly is going on, if there's any errors that are worth noting. So the first thing I've got to do is I've got to break out of all these errors, stuff that are particular to recommendation. You'll notice here in my services, I've got a lot of different services, but over here in attributes, I have a bunch of attributes, and I know for a fact in these attributes, one of these attributes, I have the API endpoint that's being called, and you can see that recommendations are getting called based on HTTP target. Well, guess what? Here's the power of Observe. You don't need to have that broken out before the data comes in. So it was sent to us in JSON. I can actually extract from this field using extract from JSON and choose that HTTP target and add it as an additional column to my span data set here. So once I clicked apply there, you notice that I got attributes and HTTP target, and now I've gotten that target value, key value pair broken out into a separate column.